The goal of communication is to understand, and the ability to understand comes from the understanding the language and perspective of others. Yeah. So if you are a researcher and you are presenting your research results, nowadays the first tip you get is to know your audience first. Similarly, in the science policy context, because it's a really extensive area, fostering collaboration between different stakeholders, including government and researchers. It basically bridges between two different fields and culture, science and policy. So the norm, what you are accustomed with in science, in scientific area or research field or research culture may not similarly in the science policy. So before getting engaged, the first and foremost for a researcher is to understand the basic process, the language of policymaker, what works, what doesn't work, and most importantly, the perspective. Now, how do you do that in reality? I mean, if you're a young researcher, there are different options for you. There are organizations like JRC, Marie Curie Alumni Association, Eurodoc, Science Europe, who can actually, or who are planning to organize events focusing on science policy. There are also conferences like Science Advice Under Pressure, which is basically the side event we are hosting today. So there are different opportunities to get involved and understand the policymakers' perspective. So I would end there. Thank you.